1-877 Cars for Kids. K-A-R-S Cars for Kids. 1-877 Cars for Kids. Donate your car today.
Donate today at carsforkids.org. That's cars with a K. Your car can be picked up as soon as the next day. Receive a tax deduction and vacation voucher.
1-877 Cars for Kids. Donate your car today.
Now accepting donations of land, homes, buildings, or any kind of real estate. Owning a rental is risky, but not with Tyner Properties. For nearly 50 years, Tyner Properties provides expert management for residential rental properties. They keep up with all the new laws, find great tenants, coordinate maintenance, and handle all the paperwork and accounting for you. With over 1,000 doors managed, they have less than one eviction a year. That's risk-free rental. Tune in to KFBK each Sunday morning from 8:30 to 9 to get the latest updates and trends in property management. This hour of the Tom Sullivan Show is sponsored by Greg Pavilla Bail Bonds. On the air, online, from New York City, border to border, and coast to coast, you're connected with Tom Sullivan.
Well, not exactly. Again, Tom is recovering from some minor surgery. He will be back on the air, all things as we plan, on Thursday. It's anytime I have the pleasure of being with you. I'm John McGinnis, and longtime friend of Tom Sullivan, and wishing him well. I know he's doing well. I communicated with him last night, and he is anxious to get back on the air and chat with you. I'm trying to get into the Menendez issue a little bit, but first I want to give respect to people who have been trying to get on the program and talk about some of the things we've been discussing. I am truly moved by the fact that we've had a couple of people that have stepped up and told their life stories where they have been in a position where they've been isolated, loners, bullied, picked upon, and could have reacted in a horrible way. And if you look at the biographies of the school shooters, it's overwhelmingly a common denominator is just that. So the propensity for people who find themselves in that position, nothing to do with what they personally bring to the equation, but rather the manner in which they're treated, and perhaps, I think it's safe to say, to some degree, their ability to cope with that. And a lot of I think the diminishment of their ability to cope is based on the fact these are young people with very limited perspective, and they don't realize that they're in a position that's very temporary. And if they continue and have patience and a little bit of faith and work through that period of time, they're probably going to be just fine. But when you hear from people who were treated with that level of abuse, and found themselves in a position of being isolated, loners, bullied, and picked upon, that's a shock, I think, to hear that kind of expression. And I have tremendous respect for those who have been able to work through that and are now living rich lives. So the former caller, last caller, talked about the 4 agreements. I just pulled it up. It's a pretty light read by Don Miguel Ruiz. And it's probably something, it's described as a practical guide to personal freedom. Probably something that would be a good resource. And if you know somebody in your life who perhaps falls into the category of these callers from whom we've heard today, or the assailant in Pennsylvania, maybe it's worth the time to spend some time with them to try to get them to a point where they can work through that. I look at some of the people who have gained prominence in society, and I wonder what they were like when they were young people, because people who have done very well, especially, maybe it's a little bit of bias on my part that's not even warranted, but people who have really excelled in the area of technology, I have to believe when they were young kids, they probably were not viewed as the kids with whom people wanted to hang out. They probably were not part of the in-group, and probably, very likely, I would estimate, were subjected to that kind of treatment. And I think on the part of some who bully, some are just, I think, horribly sick people who find gratification in picking on others. Some probably don't understand what they're doing in terms of the magnitude of their harsh words, and perhaps physical abuse, of course, never acceptable. But they might not fully understand it, so there's an opportunity for them to learn too. I think those who may be inclined to not understand to the well-being of others. Let's get your calls. 855-295-6600. Chris is waiting in Utah. Chris, good afternoon. Welcome to the conversation. Thanks for holding on.
Hi, thanks for taking my call.
You bet.
I think that the whole reason, well, part of it, I think, besides him being tired, I think he was extremely humbled.
Yeah.
It was a humbling experience. I mean, I was shot at 3 times as a civilian employee for a police department, and I can tell you each time when you come that close, and then I think he has a little bit of survivor's guilt too, because somebody was killed in his rally and 2 other people injured, and so I think he's still processing it, and I think it really hit home to him what is at stake out there.
I
what he's
suspect
really dealing with.
I suspect you're absolutely right about that, and I don't know what the details were in your personal situations. I have had similar experience also in law enforcement, having been shot at, never hit, thank God. But I can tell you, and I hope this was the same for you, in my case, it has been people who had no idea who I was, other than a person in a law enforcement uniform that was a threat to their freedom, trying to take them into custody. So it was not a personal attack against me individually. They had no regard for who I was. That didn't matter to them. But in this case, it's different. Everybody knows Donald J. Trump has virtually 100% name ID. Everybody knows who he is. Everybody knows why he was there that day. And then to transition to your second observation as it relates to survivor's guilt, I think survivor's guilt is something that people, frankly, are well served if they can overcome it, because there's no objective reason for it. But this is not just another person who happened to be at that mall on that day, or at a mall, I should say, on that occasion, or on a freeway on that occasion, or some other park on that occasion, but somebody who was there to enthusiastically support President Trump's campaign. So I could see where that would register some level of survivor's guilt that he would have to overcome. So my observations of him, and I could be completely wrong. I mean, I may be seeing a little bit of something I want to see, frankly. He kind of looked at peace to me. That was kind of, he looked different. He looked, again, kind of, I guess, at peace, subdued a bit, and he was taking it all in, and I think it might be an indication, and I may very well be reading too much into it, but it might be an indication of changes on the horizon, and it could increase the anticipation that the tone on Thursday will be different from what it has been historically. And I think for anybody, and for those who appreciate the barbs and the sharp tongue that has been on display by the former president these many years now, you got that, so you know who he is. Now it's time to expand his base of support. Why not move into a different direction? And that all goes back again to how he will deal with President Biden, assuming President Biden is still on the ticket and in position to debate him in September, as they have agreed. And of course, taking all into consideration with the performance of President Biden in the interview with Lester Holt, is not a good look for him. So I think your observations are valid, and I hope you're doing well, notwithstanding the experiences you had. Good?
I am.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate the call very much. Let's check in with Frank, patiently waiting. Frank, are you there, sir? Welcome to the conversation.
Hey, John. Thank you for taking my call. Big fan.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you.
I have a question. As a former police officer, there is a social media video going where civilians are pointing out, there's the shooter. There's the shooter. What was your initial reaction when you saw that, being that all hell was breaking loose with Secret Service and everything else?
Obviously, you would hope, and I'd like to believe that you would have those officers engage the suspect at the first opportunity, understanding that those officers on the ground were armed with handguns. He was a rifle. But radio brought, and I don't know if there's ever going to be body-worn cameras coming out of this. I honestly don't know if they're equipped with body-worn cameras in that neck of the woods. But I would hope that there was radio communication, and there's a whole lot of things that go into this that may not be considered at first review. I don't know, if you have law enforcement personnel there who know that there are Secret Service snipers, I assume there were probably, I don't know this, I assume there were probably local law enforcement officers armed with long guns as well. So to hear that there's somebody there with a rifle, unto itself may not be quite as shocking at the first blush. They may be inclined to believe it's going to be one of the good guys. I'm considering that as a possibility. But to not act with haste, very, very promptly, and at least engage in radio communication and surveil the area and get in a position to take action, even from a position of cover, going up against a person armed with a rifle from an elevated position with a handgun. If you're in a position of cover and concealment, there's not sure exactly what you're looking for, but I'll tell you very candidly, I see that at this juncture, unless there's something else that would explain it, like communication that had been engaged and there was a plan in effect, I see it as abject failure.
Well, the first thing I thought to myself, someone's losing their job, and I know that lady's on the hill either today or tomorrow to be testimony. This is going to be very, very interesting, and I just wanted to get your take.
Yeah, I think I believe her job is very safe until after January 20th of next year. After that, I'd say she's going to be in trouble. I think obviously Alejandro Mayorkas will go at that point, and I think you're going to see significant change. As for the practitioners that were there, I don't know, there's rumors that I'm not in a position to substantiate at this point, but I hear information about requests for greater personnel resources to be at that event. And there is a difference between the degree or the amount of protection brought for a current president versus that of a former president. And in general terms, I understand that. I get that. The typical former president does not need the level of protection that the current incumbent president does. But this is a different set of circumstances. This is a person who just, 48, 50 hours later, actually officially became the nominee of one of the major political parties in the country, and has been out on the stump and has been in a position. And again, this is where it's important for people to put any differences aside and recognize the fact this is a vulnerable human being who is exercising an absolute First Amendment protected activity, engaging in campaigning to be the elected leader of the free world. He needs to be protected. I was very troubled by the fact that RFK Jr. had not been given Secret Service protection, especially given the fact his name. Look at the history for that family, and then the risk that he faces as a candidate on the trail. So there's a whole lot to look at out of this, and I don't see anything substantively changing between now and January, regrettably, but I think you'll see significant change after that. So it's a sad set of circumstances. I feel bad, obviously, for the way things went, and the big tragedy at this point, it looks like, and with an abundance of hope, that the two other bystanders that were shot, it looks as though they're doing relatively well, and my hope is that they have a full recovery. The former president is doing quite well, obviously. And so the real loss here is that volunteer firefighter who paid the ultimate sacrifice there. So, John, we get this in for Tom Sullivan. I want to hear from you, 855-295-6600. More calls coming up after this.
Tom, you're a straight up guy. I love the show.
First for breaking news, 24/7 on KFBK, Sacramento's news radio.
Your heating and air system is over 10 years old. Waiting until next year to mitigate its age will cost you thousands of dollars. See, on January 1st, government mandates for a new refrigerant on air conditioners take effect, and you guessed it, it'll cost you much, much more money. These new regulations have forced manufacturers to spend big money on parts and machinery. All of that means more cost to you. 14% increase on air conditioner units. So act now and save thousands. Call Sierra Pacific today at 800-551-3040 or visit SierraPacificHome.com.
Owning a rental is risky, but not with Tyner Properties. For nearly 50 years, Tyner Properties provides expert management for residential rental properties. They keep up with all the new laws, find great tenants, coordinate maintenance, and handle all the paperwork and accounting for you. With over 1,000 doors ready, they have less than 1 eviction a year. That's risk-free rental. Tune in to KFBK each Sunday morning from 8:30 to 9 to get the latest updates and trends in property management.
At Fisher Investments, we may seem like other money managers, but we're different. What makes you so different than the rest of us? We ensure clients receive unparalleled service at every step of the relationship. Tell me more. Our investment counselors focus on service over sales, prioritizing clients' needs. How do you make money? We don't sell any commission-based products. We have a simple management fee based on the value of our client's portfolio. So We do better when our clients do better.
What about client portfolios?
We get to know each client, their finances, family, health, lifestyle, and more. And then we tailor a portfolio based on their specific goals and needs.
Your clients really come first then, huh?
Yes, we make them a top priority. Our goal is helping them achieve a comfortable retirement.
Wow. Maybe we are different.
At Fisher Investments, we're clearly different. Learn more at FisherInvestments.com.
Investing in securities involves the risk of loss.
Are you the decision maker in your company? Consider this. For the first time in decades, there's a better option for a corporate card and spend management platform. Meet Ramp, the only corporate card and spend management system designed to help you spend less money so you can make more. With Ramp, you get full visibility into your company's spending and control who spends what with each vendor. Ramp software collects and verifies receipts instantly to save your team valuable time. Ramp automates data entry and routine tasks with automated approvals, expense categorization and bill payments, time-consuming tasks, which means you'll stop wasteful spending and close your books in hours instead of days. Businesses that use Ramp add up to 5% to their bottom line the first year. If you're a decision maker, adding Ramp could be one of the best decisions you've ever made. Get $250 when you join Ramp for free. Just go to ramp.com/free. 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 Cards issued by Sutton Bank and Celtic Bank, members FDIC, terms and conditions apply. The year is 1861. Your name is Abraham Lincoln. A black fountain pen rests in your right hand. The paper in front of you holds the key to uniting America from east to west with a new technology called the steam engine. What would a maverick do? A maverick signed that paper, making the Pacific Railway Act a national commitment, and it begins here in Sacramento. Abraham Lincoln believed in new technology, and taking a leading role made him a maverick. At Maverick Electric Heating and Air, the new technology in home comfort is the heat pump. It's good for America, and it's good for your bottom line. But converting your home is more complicated than just signing a piece of paper. You need someone with confidence and experience to know it'll succeed. That's who we are, Maverick Electric Heating and Air. And doing this together makes all of us a little more like you. Visit callamaverick.com.
Get the most out of your summer.
sag.
Summer is my
Like you
favorite
sag.
time of year, hands down. You do?
Very nice sag.
I pretty much can't
Oh,
wait
nice
for it to come
underwear,
around
too.
each year. So, you can bet I'm determined to make the most out of it. And that includes being ready to enjoy all that summer has to offer. The running, the jumping, the hiking, the pickleball games with friends. Thanks to my personally fit Good Feet 3-step arch support
Damn, that's
system,
nice
I've
sag.
never
Nice
been more
underwear,
ready
too.
to take on the summer. I'm having a ball, and you could be too. Visit the Good Feet store.
Very nice sag. Very, very nice sag. This over here, so I don't have to fucking worry about that. Yeah.